Who's that mysterious boy? Cough sexily? That cough is so hot. OMG, he looked at us. No. Wet patch appear. No! No! What in Wattpad? There is so much wrong with this. How can a cough be hot? It's literally spreading germs. You know, that's why y'all are getting sick. Bro, run the other way. Come here. Not before I get a restraining order. Wet patch appears where? Under my pits because I'll be sweating.
Får man testa klappa? Det är lugnt.
Also, that's what a furry looks like under there. Furry reveal. Hey, why he pet her? Now she got the head on. Now you pet her. Oh. Whoa. Gilly. Is it this way you're supposed to go? Ooh woo? Oh, she did! I didn't hear it at first. I was kidding. She did it unironically.